Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a beautiful weekend. I hope everyone is having a relaxed vibe. Yep. We can see here Matele with her hubby Umusamseleko, as she always say bana ubaba, as she had told everyone that she did not marry anybody's husband. She is here having the best time with her hubby without any interruption, without things that are out of order. It's just her and her hubby. Today is their day. We can see here they were even wearing matching outfits. We don't know where they were going or where they were coming from, but they looked beautiful, magnificent. One thing for sure, what I've realized is that Umusamseleko, when it's just Umusamseleko and Umatsele, he is so much happier, he is so much lighter, because he knows that there will be no unnecessary argument that will occur at any time. Like there will be no argument and no shouting. I feel like Umatsele also had come to peace that I love you and I understand that you love other people besides me, and she is much happier. She does not fight anymore. She's at that point of like, hi, abahamba sosala siyincenga, sosala siyibambile njengoba nasithola siyibambile. So yes, we can see even Umatsele now, when it's just her and her husband, she is much happier. And I've seen also Umatsele, she's such a beautiful woman inside outside. Like she's always there for all the kids, biologically or not. She's always there to support. Like she fully supports all the kids that are born of Mseleku state or Mseleku blood. Like you can see even recently, even before recently, lately, even with some case baby girl, you see her most of the time posting. Even some girl would post Umatsele babysitting the little one. She will say, "Ay siyabonga Nkosi yami umamkhulu to the rescue," because she's always there to assist whenever that she can. Because you can see Nakona that Umakwela, she's such a young mom, and here and there she needs to go out, here and there she needs to take a break, because she's a working mom, and being a working mom also can be very exhausting. So I give it to Umatsele for stepping in here and there, so that Umakwela can rest. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.